Hello everyone and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and the market is full of low impact news today. So I'm not anticipating any volatile or high spread timings. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of EURUSD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently, we are having a sideways market into the monthly levels. So, for a precise picture, let's move to the weeklies. Now, this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is we are having this unmitigated level, which could be respected into the future. But right now, what do we have here is that the price had swept this candle's low and started to move into the upside direction. What do we have here is this level, which could act as a strong high. But currently, I'm not marking it since we are going to move into the smaller time frames for a detailed picture. So this is the same level I was talking about, and we can see that the price had taken this high, swept this high and move into the downward direction. So maybe this area can turn into a reason for the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate the higher time frames POI. But what do we have here is that the price had reacted somewhere from this zone and nothing is much clear apart from this unmitigated candle. So let's move to the 4 hours for a detailed picture. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have here is we are having this candle, but what make this candle as a weak candle you can say is that we are having equal lows right below it, and we are having this area or this candle unmitigated. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take this low and then move into the upside direction if it has to. So let's move to the 1 hours now. This is the 1 hour chart, and we can see that this area was unmitigated by the market and we are having equal lows right above it. So I'm anticipating the price to, if we are going to respect this highs being made by the market, that is, we are going to break this level, most likely we are going to come into the downward direction and then go into the upside direction from this particular zone. So currently for the bias, let's move to the 30 minutes. I'll be turning it on. Yeah. So what do we have here is that the Asia session was protected by the market into the previous day, that is Friday. The London session was protected by the market, and even the New York session didn't take any liquidity of any of the session. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take the liquidities accumulated here and then show a reaction into the either side. So if the price is going to break the Asia low, most likely we are going to continue the bearish trend. So the bias for today is if the Asia low is broken, most likely we are going to respect this Asia high, react from 50% of the Asia session and then move into the downward direction. Or maybe we can have a volatile movement too, but Asia high need to be protected. So now let's move to the last segment, that is the questions round. And let's see what do we have in the question today. That is, what is a pip in Forex trading lingo? The first option is an acronym for profit increase percentage. The second one is the smallest price movement that a given exchange rate can make. The third is a unit of measurement for the size of a Forex trading account. So write the answers in the comment, and if you are having a detailed information about it, do write into the comment and I'll pin the best comment uh, and give it a heart. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.